In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find macro maps in TradingView 2026. To get started, open TradingView and head to the main chart page or dashboard. This is the area where you normally view price charts, tools, and market data. If you are already signed in, you can go straight to your dashboard. If not, just open the platform until you reach the main workspace. Once you are on the dashboard, take a moment to get oriented. TradingView includes a lot of panels and tools, so it helps to know where to look before clicking anything. For this tutorial, your attention should move to the lower right section of the screen. That's where you'll find the area that gives access to additional products and features beyond the standard chart layout. Now look specifically at the bottom right part of the interface. You are searching for the product icon. Depending on your screen size or layout, it may appear small, so make sure you scan that corner carefully. If your workspace looks slightly different, that's normal. The general position should still be near the lower right area. When you find the product icon, click on it. This opens the menu where TradingView groups some of its extra tools and data features. This is the key step that leads you to macro maps. So if you do not see the option immediately, give the menu a second to expand fully. Next, click on macro maps. Once you enter this section, you'll be able to explore a broader macroeconomic view inside TradingView. This is useful if you want to go beyond price action and start looking at larger economic indicators that can influence markets. From here, you'll be able to see inflation rate data. This can help you understand how prices are changing across an economy, which often plays a major role in market expectations and policy decisions. You'll also find interest rate information. This is another important macro indicator because interest rates can affect currencies, stocks, bonds, and overall market sentiment. It's one of the most commonly watched data points in macro analysis. In the same macro maps section, you can also view GDP. GDP helps show the overall economic output of a country or region, giving you a broader picture of economic growth or contraction. Finally, you'll be able to see the unemployment rate. This metric gives insight into labor market conditions and can be another helpful signal when evaluating the health of an economy. And that's how to find macro maps in TradingView. Once you know where the product icon is, getting to these macro indicators becomes quick and easy whenever you need them.